Alright, dream setters. Today I'm going to show you how to make a pickled banana pepper recipe. And these giant peppers are from my mom's garden, so I'm super excited to show you this today. So I poured some white vinegar on a paper towel and I'm just wiping all the lids off. And this is just a way to sterilize everything. And I'm adding this boiling water into the mason jars because that's also a way to sterilize. For your ingredients, you add 1 tablespoon of pickling salt, but I just have kosher salt, 1 teaspoon dried oregano, 1 teaspoon dried basil, and 1 teaspoon of black pepper. If you have peppercorns, use the peppercorns. Add about a clove of minced garlic, 1 tablespoon of honey, and get out a big sauce pot. Measure out a cup of vinegar, one cup of water, and then add your ingredients. You want to get this to like a medium boil, so I put it right at 6. And we're coming back to our mason jars and we're going to pour that water out. Grab your sharpest knife in the house. This recipe calls for 6 to 7 medium banana peppers, but I had a whole bunch of banana peppers and I wanted to use all of them. It was really special to me that my mom grew those and gave them to me. Don't forget to save the seeds so you can grow them in your garden. And we're gonna start slicing. Put your slices into the jars. Once your brine has come to a boil, you're going to pour it over the banana peppers. Try to pour it as evenly as possible. So I had a piece of screen material my mother-in-law let me borrow. I'm just pulling that out and I'm gonna dry all the banana pepper seeds on them. It's a really easy way to get them to dry so they don't mold. And then we're gonna store them and grow them in our garden. Don't forget to save all your scraps for compost. Shout out to this banana pepper plant that gave us all these banana peppers, and my mom for the peppers, and my stepdad for the recipe. Pickling your vegetables is a really great way to preserve the vegetables that you make in your garden, and they make really cute gifts for friends and family.